So when we look at maybe the word teamwork, we usually think of working in a team. So it means that working with a lot of people or with a lot of members. So maybe we have to identify what type of person you belong to, what type of person you would like to be. So that's why I would like you to look at my slide and do a small quiz for me first. So look at the slide and do a quiz. So please write down all the options that you have made from the slide. And then after that, I will tell you what kind of team player are you. So we have maybe 4 columns here. The first column that is the doers and thinkers. The second column that is maybe details and ideas. The third column that is mind and heart. And the last one is planners or improviser. So please maybe choose from all the options here and then write out in your paper, and then after that we can calculate the numbers of the score that you have made, and I will tell you whether what type of person are you. Vậy bây giờ mời các bạn làm một bài quiz nhỏ nhé. Các bạn hãy chọn lựa cho cô những cái nào mà các bạn cảm thấy phù hợp với cái đặc điểm tính cách của mình, và sau đây chúng ta sẽ biết là nếu mà làm việc trong nhóm thì chúng ta sẽ thuộc về kiểu người như thế nào. Okay, so maybe 3 minutes for you to do the quiz first. Okay, so are you ready on? Các bạn đã chọn lựa xong chưa các em? Are you ready on?
Chưa ạ.
Okay, quiz nhỏ thôi, các bạn chọn nốt đi. Okay, now the whole class. Okay, so tell me about your solution. Tell me about your option. Which option did you choose, right? Okay, so for the first column, doers and thinkers. So which one did you choose? A, B, C, D, E, and F. Which one? Now the whole class. So tell me your option. Tell me your selection. Okay. So for the first columns, between doers and thinkers. So which option did you choose?
I think I will choose D.
You choose D and then Cương.
Uh,
D and then
I just choose D.
Only D. Okay. Okay, so
Yeah.
you can take note your option. Okay. So what about column number 2, details and ideas? Which one did you choose?
I choose option A
Option A,
and C.
option A and C. Okay. And what about mind and heart?
My heart, I choose F.
F.
Just F.
Just F only. Okay. And what about the last one, planners and improviser?
Uh, the last one I choose three option. Option A, option B, and option F.
And F. Okay. Okay, so thank you, Quốc Cường. So that is the option from Quốc Cường. Now, what about the other one? So if you have chosen the selection of the option here, so you can write down the number A, B, C, or D, and then after that we can calculate the score or maybe the points that you have made. Okay, now let's come to the point that you have made, right? Okay, so you will get maybe 1 point for each of the following answer, and then point 2 points if you maybe point out for the other answer here, and then you can calculate the total number of the points that you have made. So please calculate the numbers of the points that you have made here. Okay, so after knowing about the points, we can know whether the type of the person you are. So if you score maybe from 18 to 24, you are definitely a creative type. But if you score about 12 to 7 point, so maybe you have clear thinking and careful planning. So maybe that is the quiz for fun. So I think that after doing the quiz, you know the type of person you are, or maybe you belong to what type of person. So now let's come to the first part, that is brainstorming. Now let's look at maybe on the 8 tips from the slide here. So we have 8 tips here, and then after that you can practice with your partner. Decide which tips below are good advice and which ones you disagree with, and then compare your answer with your partner, and then please explain to your partner why you disagree with the tips below, why you disagree, and which tips do you think they are good advice, right? So you have maybe 5 minutes to discuss with your partner before you express your opinion in front of the class. I will divide you into rooms so that you can maybe discuss with your partner. Okay, so please come to the room.